Well, I guess it's only fitting. It was raining the day I put my traps in the ground, and it's raining the day I get them out of the ground. What a season. Hey y'all, Craig Wall, Georgia Trapping and Fishing. Well, this is gonna be probably our last week out here on the cow farm. We're gonna see if we can maybe get a few more of them out here. So far it's been a little slow, but you know, I'm happy with what we got so far. So y'all come on along and I hope you enjoy it. Well, seems like this is the way I start off all my videos. Got another old big head possum in my trap. So we're gonna get him on out and remake his set. I don't know if this is gonna show up or not on here. I think I counted 32 or 33 turkeys out here. A lot of them are little ones too, so that's a good sign. Young birds anyway. I won't say little ones, I'll say young birds. But when I leave out of here, I'll try and get a little closer to them. All right, y'all. It's a good way to finish up the last week. Got a good looking dog here. Don't look too rubbed up, so we'll see. It's missing a little bit of guard hair, but I think this one might be all right. All right, we'll get her out of the trap and get it remade. Alright, he had this pretty messed up, so here's a remake. I had Pingley's lure, Gusto, and a little bit of Coyote urine. So here's the remake on this one. Well, y'all, you can see this is a pretty good sized creek that flows up through here. I thought surely on that log right there I'd get a bobcat coming over it, but so far no cats. So but told my buddy Will I'd show him this. Pretty neat. All right, we'll go on up the creek a little further and check the rest of my lines. Alright, well, it's a beautiful day out here. I hadn't caught anything yet, but it's really pretty out here. Got these mounds out here, and usually stays pretty cool down here in these bottoms, but quite a few of these mounds out through here. There's some more on up there where the lake's at too. All right, y'all, got us a raccoon up here on top of the hill. He kept him from getting in my coyote trap, so that worked out pretty good. Trap's right over there, so thankfully we got him in the dog proof, so we'll get him out. And oh, Aiden wants to say hey. All right, that's my grandbaby. All right, we're gonna get him out of the trap and go check the rest of them. All right, guys, got number 6. Oh no, this is 7, I think, out here. I done lost track, but I think it's an old female. Seems like that's all we're getting. is females, but she's pretty. Looks like her fur's good, so that's okay. We'll take it. All right, here's my remake on this set. What I caught it on was Soul Taker, Windwalker, and some Coyote urine. So that's what I rebaited it back up with, and hopefully whatever comes down this road or off this pasture will get on in here. Got a lot of muddy traps to clean up now. Well, y'all, I reckon that's gonna do it for the old cow farm out here. I think we wound up with 7 of them out of here, and I found out the hunting club next door shot 6 during deer season, so I wish I could have caught them, but as long as they're gone, that's all that matters to me. So I appreciate all of you watching and come along. I hope you've enjoyed the last 2 or 3 videos, and I appreciate it that everybody's liking and subscribing to the channel. It's really helping. So with all that, I reckon I'll see you on the next one.